Hey realtors, ever felt your real estate business could use a boost and some support from people who understand exactly what you're going through? You need to become a 27th associate. We're a thriving community of real estate professionals, and this is 5 reasons why it is imperative for your real estate business to join our community. Number 1, you gain access to a large community to connect, collaborate, and elevate together. 2, you enjoy exclusive access to trainings and workshops powered by 27th Development. Gain access to tech-savvy tools and resources like our Realtor Portal. Open yourself up to genuine and verified listings. And if you're inside our community, you get exclusive deals and pop-up discounts on all 27th Development products for your clients. How awesome is this? So now you can enjoy support from a community that cares for you. Click the link below to become a member of the 27th Associate community.